So this is the question for this particular exercise. The line AB is 75 millimeter long. Its front view and top view measure 50 millimeter and 60 millimeter long respectively. End A is 10 millimeter above HP and 15 millimeter in front of VP. Draw projections of line AB if end B is in first quadrant. Find angle with the HP and VP. That is, in this case, the true length of the line is given, the length of the front view as well as length of the top view are given. No inclinations are given. That is the specialty of this particular problem. No inclinations, no angles are given. Only the lengths are given. And the A is 10 millimeter above HP and 15 millimeter in front of VP. Draw projections of the line AB if end A is end B is in first quadrant. Now we assume that the entire line is in the first quadrant because point A is in first quadrant and point B is also given in first quadrant. It can be in another quadrant also with the given conditions, but specifically in the question itself it is given that the end B is in first quadrant. Otherwise also we will assume it to be in the first quadrant unless it is said that it is in some other quadrant. And then find the angle with the HP and VP. Find the angle with HP and VP means find the true inclinations. So here also let's first start with our base figure. In this one, the line AB is 75 millimeter long, which means the true length is 75 millimeter. So here it is true length, here also it is 75. And the front view measures 50 millimeter, that is the length of the front view. This is 50 millimeter. And the top view is 60 millimeter. Top view length, that is this is 60 millimeter. And here A dash is at a distance of 10 millimeter above XY line, and this is 15 millimeter below XY line. So these are the data that is given. So now from this one, this is the front view length, this is 50 millimeter. That means A dash B2 dash should also be 50 millimeter. Since this is part of the same circle, A dash B dash as well as A dash B2 dash part of the same circle, it should also be of the same length. That is A dash B2 dash is 50 millimeter. Likewise, this length, this AB is 60 millimeter. So AB1 should also be 60 millimeter. AB1 should also be 60 millimeter. So now we know that this AB1 is 60 millimeter. So B1 dash should be in a line which is at a distance 75 millimeter from A dash, as well as it should be on a vertical line which is at a distance of 60 millimeter from this point A. That is B1. B1 is 60 millimeter. So B1 dash should be in a line which is perpendicular to the XY line and passing through B1. So this line we can draw, and this line also we can draw. And not the line, we can drop an arc. So in order to get B1 dash. So likewise, so thus we get B1 dash. In a similar procedure, we can get B2 also. Once B2 and this B1 dash is obtained, locus of B dash as well as locus of B are obtained, and then you can finally find out this B as well as A. I mean B dash. So that is the procedure. So now let's see the method. First we draw the XY line, then we mark the projections of A dash as well as A. Then the length of the top view is marked. First we find out the length of the top view, that is AB1. AB1 is first done. B1 is obtained. Now from B1 we draw a vertical line, and then from A dash, this straight line is drawn actually using a curve. First we draw an arc. We draw an arc with the 75 millimeter as radius, and when that particular arc intersects with B1, we obtain the point B1 dash. Then we join B1 dash with A dash. And now this angle, this inclination of A dash with B1 dash with the horizontal is given as theta. That is the true inclination with the HP that is obtained. Now from B1 dash, draw a horizontal line. This horizontal line is the locus of B dash. This is the true length, and this there it will be the locus of B dash. And in the horizontal line through A dash B dash, you can find out B2 dash. B2 dash can be obtained in the horizontal line through A dash and B2, A dash. So B2 dash is obtained here, and from B2 dash we drop a vertical line. A2 dash, A dash B2 dash is the length of the front view, and B2 is obtained by drawing the arc. So AB2, that is the true length, 75 millimeter, and the length of this, the angle of this particular line with the AB1 will be phi, the true inclination with the VP. True length, then the locus of B2 is obtained. Then A dash B2 dash can be rotated to the locus of B dash in order to get B dash. So this is the point of B dash. Then join A dash with B dash. Likewise, either we can rotate A B1 in order to get this point B, or else we can drop a projector from B dash to this particular line, the locus of B, in order to get the point B. So this is point B, and A and B is obtained. Then for a confirmation, if we obtain it using this curve, then for checking we draw this particular vertical line. Or if we found out B using this vertical line, in that case we draw this arc in order to check whether our drawing is correct or not. So B is there. Then the dimensions are marked. In this case, all the three lengths are given. That is true length 75, front view length is 50, top view length 60, then theta, phi, alpha, and beta. That you have to find out. This is the procedure by which we find out or we solve this particular exercise. Once again, I explain it using this animation, and then we will draw it. So first XY line, then points A dash and A. This up to this one, it is similar as in our previous case. Then the length of the top view. Then from the length of the top view, you obtain the point B1, and from B1 drop a vertical line, and then using an arc obtain B1 dash, then point B2 dash. From B2 dash drop the vertical line, and in that line using the arc find the point B2, then rotate B2 dash to obtain B dash, join A dash with B dash. From B dash drop the vertical line or the projector to obtain B, then A and B are joined. So finally, after checking, AB1 is rotated to AB. So this is the final drawing. So now we will draw it in from the scratch. Now we need the scale not to draw the XY line. First we draw the XY line. Here is X. Now we have to draw a vertical line, that is the projector of A. I am just using the perpendicular line. You have to use your scale to draw this particular line. This is point A dash. Here is point A. And now from A dash and A, draw two horizontal lines. You use your set square for drawing this line. Set square and scale in order to draw these lines. I'm using it using the property of or the capability of the software, and these two lines are drawn. So now in this line you draw, you mark the distance AB1. AB1 is 60 millimeter, I think. I have to hope I can check it. I haven't marked it. Yeah, it is 60 millimeter. So that you mark here. So this is the point B1. This is the point B1. And now from B1, this is the point B1, and from B1 you have to drop the vertical line. So this is the required vertical line. And now with the center as A dash, that is this point A dash, and the radius as 75 millimeter, we have to draw an arc. So for that one we use the compass, 75 millimeter. So and drop an arc here. So this is the point B1 dash. Now through B1 dash, draw the locus of B dash. This is the locus of B dash. So locus of B dash is obtained. Now what we have to do is we can join this A dash with B1 dash. Now this inclination is theta. This angle is theta. Now in this line you have to mark this A dash B2 dash. The distance is given, that is 50 millimeter. So 50 millimeter distance is given. So that is B2 dash. Point B2 dash is this one. Now from B2 dash, drop vertical line, this vertical line, B2 dash to B2, that particular line can be drawn. Here also with the same radius, that is 75 millimeter radius, draw an arc. So the arc is drawn. Now this is the point B2. This is point B2. Join point line point A with the B2, and this inclination is phi. This is phi. Now with the B2, draw a horizontal line, which is the locus of B. So here is the locus of B. So now what we have to do is, we obtained almost everything. Now the front view length is there, the top view length is there. The only thing that you have to do is, you have to rotate this this length, this this length. Now this length is rotated. In order to obtain, this is the point B dash. Now join points A and B dash. Sorry, I mean A dash and B dash, using a dark line. So this is the front view. Now in order to get the top view, either you can draw a perpendicular line like this to the locus of B. So this point is point B. This is point B. Or then draw straight line joining A and B, a dark line joining A and B. Or else the second way is, you can use the line, the length of the line AB1, the length of the top view that we obtained, and then using this arc. So the arc should be a thin arc, like this arc. So this is the complete picture. And then you have to mark the dimensions also. So first you mark the points A dash and A, then B1, the point B1, then from B1 to B1 dash. Once B1 dash is obtained, the locus of B dash, then B2 dash to B2, locus of B, then rotate A dash, B2 dash to obtain B dash, then from that B dash draw the vertical line in order to get AB. So that's it. Then the inclination of AB2 with XY line, that this inclination is phi, that is the true inclination with the VP. The inclination of A dash B1 dash, that is the inclination of the line with the HP. The true inclination of the line with HP is the inclination of A dash B1 dash with the XY line. So that's it. And this is the final figure.